this dog right here, okay? This is my dog. Cole, will you chill out?
Okay.
He's trained to detect the odor of narcotics.
Okay.
There's no reason why he would say there's narcotics in your truck, is there?
What started as a routine traffic stop quickly turned into a major drug bust. During the stop, authorities say officers discovered 184 pounds of cocaine inside the vehicle, leading to multiple felony charges for 2 men from California. Bodycam footage shows how the stop unfolded, and the moment officers realized this was far more than a simple violation.
Indianapolis, 33 up 1023.
33.
Somebody open the door up. How y'all doing? I'm Miguel Rodriguez, Overstate Police. Just stopped you for the DOT inspection, okay? So I didn't do anything wrong. Okay. So we're gonna need your license, paperwork for your truck, your bill of lading, and your ELD, all right? How long you guys been driving the truck? How long you been driving the truck? Your whole life?
For 20 years.
20? Yeah. You guys have your English
We
better on this,
used to have that one, but
so you guys are driving without an ELD?
yes. I'm using my phone and
So
I'm recording all my.
Let me see what you got.
Yeah.
Are you using this?
Yeah.
So you're just using this as an app. It's not connected to the truck.
It's not, but at least I'm recording something and
Okay. What about? Do you have paper logs?
No,
You have no logbook at all.
yeah, I put it up. I think it's
Let's see what you got there.
this, no. I got another one.
Got another one? Why you got another one for? I mean, just in case you get stopped by the cops, right? Yeah, one's for getting paid, one's for getting stopped. Jose, you don't have any guns or knives on you or anything? No weapons? No pistolas? No armas?
no.
Okay, all right.
We don't use that.
I'm just staying right here.
Yeah, from there.
You're off until the 16th?
Yeah.
Okay, how'd you pick this up on the 15th then?
No, we start 17. Yeah.
Did you start it yesterday?
No, I think it's 16.
You messed up, buddy.
Yeah. Yeah, Friday.
17 was yesterday.
Friday, yeah.
So you put down you were off until the 16th. Your name's on this paperwork showing you picked it up on the 15th.
Oh, well.
That's Jose. You're Jose, right?
Another driver picked up another driver.
Another Jose?
Yeah.
Not you though?
No, I know.
Different Jose picked up the load.
Another driver, yeah. I don't pick it up the load, yeah.
This is
We pick it up from the yard.
2144 Apple.
another my dog.
Oh, yeah, okay.
I've checked everything.
Yeah, I see.
I'm gonna flip
So
and help us
you
out.
understand if you didn't start driving until yesterday,
144.
there's no way for you to make it from California to here. That's impossible.
No, we're a team, yeah, right? Yeah.
Well, I know that's 22 hours.
Yeah,
You can drive,
we start Friday night. Yeah.
Hey, your logbook doesn't make any sense. And you were off duty all day on the 17th. You didn't start driving until Friday night.
Yeah,
Well, that's Saturday night.
No, we start to drive Friday night. Yeah, my friend start to drive. Yeah, I drive yesterday.
Right.
Yeah, we start to drive yesterday.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
You got a lot of weird stuff going on here, man. All right.
Uh-huh.
Have you ever been in trouble before for anything?
No.
You never been arrested?
No, sir.
Okay. There's nothing illegal in this truck right now.
No, sir.
There's no drugs.
No, nothing.
No weapons.
No, nothing. No weapon.
Nothing at all. Okay.
No, sir.
This dog right here. Okay. This is my dog. Oh, will you chill out?
Okay.
He's trained to detect the odor of narcotics.
Okay.
There's no reason why he would say there's narcotics in your truck, is there? No.
No. No,
All
sir.
right. Okay.
No.
And you'd be okay with me looking?
Sure.
You would give me permission to search the truck,
Sure.
the trailer, and all its contents?
No, sure.
You would give me permission to do that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Sure.
Okay. And you understand you're going to be out of service for 10 hours after this, right?
Oh, really?
Yes, really.
For the logbook?
Yeah, you're required to have an electronic logbook, okay?
Okay.
Your truck is a 2019, so anything 2000 and newer has to have an electronic logbook.
I think, somebody maybe take out that paperwork because we sometimes we use another truck.
Yeah.
We work in local.
Okay.
Only California local, but sometimes we come to make a long haul sometimes.
Okay.
You know, because another driver comes, another driver.
Okay.
But this truck use another driver. Maybe he take out that paperwork, yeah.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
Well, I mean, you're the truck driver of that truck right now, so it's your responsibility to make sure you're following the rules.
I know, sir, yeah.
So that's an automatic 10 hours out of service for not having an electronic logbook, okay?
Okay.
You're required to have that.
Okay, yeah,
All
I
right.
understand that, yeah.
No fucking way. These dudes have passengers in. Packages. See right there. Packages in the onions. See this duct tape package right there? Okay. Probably off with this whole truck. Inside this center box, got kilo packages. You got C on it. Take this one out. You're okay if I ask you some questions?
Sure.
Okay, and you understand your rights, correct?
I do.
All right. So basically, man, I stop a lot of trucks. This is a very unusual stop for me. All right, we won't get into all the details, but things were off. That's why I asked you guys consent to search the truck and the trailer. You guys both signed consent. Inside your cab, underneath the sleeper, the bunk, I located a bunch of brand new duffel bags, still had the tags on, that were loaded with onions. I don't normally see a bunch of duffel bags loaded with onions underneath a bunk of a trailer, okay? So it's a little unusual. Opened your trailer up, and I located a pallet that was filled with red onions, just like the bags that are inside the cab. Inside those red onions, commingled in with the red onions, I located what you see in front of you right now, which I'm going to guess is cocaine. I'm not sure, though. I didn't dig too deep into it. But that's where we're at, okay? I'm not, I'm just a police officer, okay? I'm not going to tell you you're guilty of anything or what's going on. I can tell you, if you're sitting yourself and you're a juror, okay, given the fact that that you're sleeping underneath a bunch of onions, and there's dope inside the boxes of onions inside the trailer, put two and two together, all right? That's a very serious crime. That's a level 2 felony, all right? I can have a lot of years in prison if you're found guilty. We have people that can come talk to you and try to lesser that if you're willing to cooperate. Is that something you're interested in doing?
I think I'm going to answer all that, and with the intern of a lawyer. I can
You'd rather have a lawyer?
I can guess not, because this is like you said, it is very serious.
It's very serious. So, would you be willing to talk to? So, I work for the state police. Okay, I can't do much other than take you to jail. All right. I can't cut you any deals or anything like that. Once you leave here, you're probably not going to see me again unless it goes to court. A federal agent can help you out. You're transporting. You're not the guy they're after. Okay, they're after the big fish. Okay, it's a lot of weight probably. If those duffel bags were filled with cocaine or whatever that is, that's a lot of weight. But still, they're not after the guys transporting. They're after the guys that are dealing it or the distributors down on wherever it came from. Would you be willing to talk to one of those federal agents to see what your options are at least?
As I told you, I need a lawyer.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, I can do that. Yes, like that. Yes.
I'm so tired of it. Gosh, man. Friday, continued it Saturday. Oh, my God.
I'm gonna talk to him now, okay? I'm gonna have you get out. I'm gonna talk to your buddy here. So, I asked you guys to search the truck because this is kind of an unusual truck. I stop a lot of trucks.
Advertencia.
This is really, you guys have a bunch of unusual stuff that I don't normally see going on, okay?
Okay.
All right. That's why I asked to search the truck. I searched the truck, and underneath the bunk, there's a bunch of brand new duffel bags, and they've all got a bunch of red onions in them. I've never seen that before either. That's kind of strange, right? You guys probably don't need to just eat onions like apples, and definitely not that many of them. All right. So that's when I went to the trailer. I located a box that was full of those red onions. It's, as far as I can see, it looks like it might be the only box, the only skid in that whole trailer that has red onions in it. Inside those red onions, intermingled with that, is what I'm guessing is cocaine. Okay, kilos in it. I don't know how many kilos there are yet because I got to offload the trailer, but there's a lot of big dope, big drugs. Okay, that means big trouble.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. I don't know.
9686, 9686.
We pick it up from the yard.
Hold on.
Yeah.
Go ahead. All right. So right now you're under arrest for possession of narcotics. Okay.
Okay.
All right. You can choose to try to help yourself out and work, and because here's the thing, you're just transporting this, okay? Mm-hmm. We're not after you, okay? We're after the guys that are your boss, okay? This is who we're after, or where this is going is what we're after. The people that are selling it and killing people, all right?
Yeah.
Would you be willing to? So I work for the state police. I'm not a federal agent, okay? Mm-hmm. Would you be willing to talk to a federal agent that would be able to help you and maybe lessen your sentence, or work out a deal with you to cooperate? That way you're not doing so much time in prison. Would you be willing to talk to one?
I'm not sure. I know how to do it. Really. I don't know. This is strange for me because I never do that. I never. I don't know. That.
You sure about that?
Yeah, sure.
2014?
We pick it up from the yard. Yeah.
2014. What happened?
14?
Yeah. You didn't get in trouble in 2014?
No, sir.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Then I don't know. Really, this is a surprise for me. Yeah. Really.
All right. I don't know who you called. I just talked to these guys individually after I read them their rights, and I don't think either one of them are going to talk. At first, this guy was saying yes. Now he's saying he wants a lawyer. So, all right, okay. So you don't want to talk to anybody else that might be able to help you?
So
A federal agent?
you need somebody who's like that a lawyer or something or what?
I mean, that's what I'm saying. That's what your rights are. You don't have to talk to anybody. You can just say, I want a lawyer. That's your right. I'm not going to make you talk to anybody. If you want to try to help yourself out, I'll tell you what. There's a federal agent coming here anyway. I'll let him finish. I didn't know he was coming no matter what, but we'll let him talk to you. But it's easier to help yourself out now than later, usually. So we'll see.
So you're saying
you want once you're taken into jail, things change.
Can I talk with somebody with a lawyer or something?
You can talk to a lawyer, yeah.
All right.
Probably not today, but later on, once you're in jail, you can call your lawyer. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Miguel Rodriguez pleaded guilty to one count of dealing in cocaine. He was sentenced to a total of 15 years, with 10 years to be served in the Indiana Department of Correction and the remaining time to be served on probation. Jose Perez also pleaded guilty to dealing in cocaine. He was sentenced to 10 years, with 5 years to be served in the Indiana Department of Correction and 5 years suspended to Hancock County probation. If you found this video informative, make sure to like, comment your thoughts below, and subscribe for more real police body cam footage and true crime content.